श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री जानकी वल्लभो विजयते। श्री रामचरितमानस अष्टम सोपान लवकुश कांड। जयति रघुवंश तिलकः कौशल्या हृदय नंदनो रामः। दशवदन निधनकारी दशरथी पुंडिरी काक्षः। Glory to Rama, the lotus eye, the bliss of Kaushalya's heart, Dashratha's son, the ornament of the house of Raghu, and the slayer of the 10-headed demon, Ravana. सुन भुसंडी के बचन मृदु देखी राम पद स्नेह। बोले प्रेम सहित गिरा गरुड़ विगत संदेह। When Garuda heard Bhushandi's loving speech and saw his devotion to Rama's feet, he was rid of all doubt and said affectionately, Namami Shangana Jnana Raghuvansham Dasam Sadananda Tata Tasu Vidya Prakasham Vishad Shail Nilam Kripalum Nivasam चरणाम्बुजं सेवितं पापनाशं गतं मोहमारादि शूलं विशालं हरन्ता पसन्ता भव शोकजालं नमो काकपादं सुबुद्धिं सुशीलं सदा भक्तवात्सल्य वासाद्रिनीलम् I do obeisance to you, O Guru, for you are an ocean of wisdom and Raghunatha's servant, a perennial source of bliss and radiant with learning of the highest kind. You dwell, O gracious Lord, on this beautiful blue mountain, Nilgiri, and your lotus feet that destroyed all defilement deserve loving ministration. The very sight of you destroys all infatuation and such burning pains as are caused by lustfulness and the like, for you are the reliever of grief and sorrow, born of the cycle of birth and death. You who dwell on this blue mountain, Nilgiri, are the very abode of noble understanding and modesty and are compassionate to your votaries. I do obeisance to your feet. Prasannanam Nilvadam Sushyamam Namo Pahi Sharanam Surama Abhiramam Bhashyo Umanath Yashnath Namam Dekhyo Kripa Sindhu Ko Ramadhamam. I do obeisance to you whose countenance is ever cheerful and whose body is dark blue of hue. You, Lord, are the bestower of rare bliss upon all who seek refuge with you. Pray protect me. You have proclaimed the glory of the name of Rama, Shiva's Lord, a name by the favor of which I am beholding with my eyes of wisdom and heavenly abode of the ocean of mercy, Rama. इच्छा वपुष काक कल्याणकारी जिनई एक आशा अयोध्या बिहारी भागी सकल वास नात्रास भारम दयानाथ कीनो अविद्या प्रहारम. You have of your own will, O gracious King of crows, assumed your form, and your trust is ever only in Rama, the blessed Lord of Ayodhya. All my fears and desires have been destroyed. You have, O Lord of grace, dispelled my ignorance by giving me insightful wisdom. Sagun Brahma Leela Dhara Varnatsham Sunyo Ram Avatar Moham Vinasham Janyo Dhanuj Nashanam Vishwavasam Chidanand Sandoho Bhaktim Vilasam. The blessed Lord assumes a personal form with attributes and performs his sportive acts to relieve the earth of its burden. but the story of Rama's incarnation that I heard is the destroyer of all infatuation. I know now that the Lord who dwells in the whole universe and who destroyed the demon is the very incarnation of being, consciousness, and bliss, and plays his human part for the vindication of devotion. अचल ज्ञान गोतीत मंत्रम विशालम पायो क्रिया कृपानाथ निज भाग्यमालम विगत षष्ठ रोगम अयोगम दयालुम नमो पाहि शरणम नमामि कृपालुम. O gracious Lord, you have subdued your senses and possess immutable wisdom. The spell of the word Rama is exceedingly potent and your form eminent. Pray protect me, for I have come to take refuge in you. O abode of compassion, it is my great good fortune that I have realized you. By your grace, all my 6 grievous ills and the disease of sensuality have been cured. सुसरी सम पावन भयम नाथ हृदय अब मोर जन्म जन्म छूटे नहीं कबहु पदाम्बुज तोर. My heart, O Lord, is now as pure as Ganga. May I remain devoted to your feet throughout all time. I have, Lord, सने सकल गुण गण प्रभु के रे पूजे नाथ मनोरथ मेरे तब प्रसाद बाए सकुल नाथा हृदय बसई अब प्रभु गुण ना गाथा. I have, Lord, heard all the infinite perfections of the blessed Lord Rama, and all my desires have been fulfilled. Now by your favor, O King of birds, the whole story of the Lord's perfection shall abide in my heart. मन संतोष न हृदय अगाही यदा उदधि सरती सरिता सब जाही पशु पक्षी जड़ जंगम जाति चर अरु अचर बरन की बाती. Though my soul is content, my heart is not, just as the ocean is never full through streams and ponds in infinite numbers mingles with its waters. How can all the species of life, moving and unmoved, animals and birds, be described? जे जन बसहि अवध सुख धामा लिए संग सादर श्री रामा तजी सब अवध गए सहदेहा ये मोहिनाथ परम संदेहा. Respectfully taking along with him all those who lived at Ayodhya, the repository of every blessing, Rama left the capital and ascended to heaven bodily. I am, O Lord, filled with considerable disbelief when I hear it. अब प्रभु मोहि सब कहूँ बुझाई पिता जानि मैं करऊँ ठिठाई ये इतिहास पुनीत कृपाला जिमि मक कीन राम महिपाला. Now, O Lord, tell me all this clearly and in detail. This audacity results from my regard for you as my Father. Pray tell me, O gracious Master, the story of the sacrifice performed by Rama, Lord of the world. अस कही गद गद बचन मृदु पुल कावली शरीर सुनि सप्रेम हर्षे बिहग बायस मति अति धीर. मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवहु सो दशरथ अजिर बिहारी. When he uttered these tender words in a voice choked with emotion, the hair of his body bristled with delight. Kaka Bhushandi of the most resolute mind rejoiced at heart when he heard such endearing words. धन्य धन्य तुम धनी खगराया की नियमित मोहि परदाया राम कृपा तुम रे मन माहि संशय शोक मोक moh bhram nahi. Blessed, blessed indeed you are, O King of birds, he said, you have been exceedingly kind to me, and by Rama's favor your mind shall be together, free from doubt, grief, ignorance and delusion. अति प्रिय बचन रसज्ञ तुम्हारे, लागत नाथ मोहि अति प्यारे, सो सब विशद कथा विसारी, कहूँ सुनऊँ जग हित उर्गारी. Since you delight in listening to the story of Hari, I am, Lord, overjoyed to hear your delectable words. I will now tell you of four of the serpent race, the blameless story of Rama in detail, a story that will bring blessings to the world. तब मन प्रीति देखी खगराया, मिटही अमंगल कोटि हुमाया, सुनु अब राम रहस्य अनुपा, चरित पुनित अवधपुर भूपा. My rights of evils and illusions have, O King of birds, disappeared at the sight of your boundless love. Now listen to the incomparable mysteries of the holy acts of Rama, Lord of Ayodhya. अज अद्वैत अमल अविनाशी, रहित सकल कलिमल भव फांसी, रुद्र सहस्र वर्ष खग ईसा, कीन चरित रहीपुर दगदीसा. Rama is birthless, without a second, immaculate, indestructible and altogether free from the sinful snares of the Kali Yuga. While living at Ayodhya, O Garuda, for 11,000 years, the Lord of the universe wrought many wonderful deeds. विधि बर बचन संभारी, उर राजत करुणा एन, जुगल जोरी शोभा निरखी, लजत कोटि सत में, मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, प्रभु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी. With Brahma's excellent words laid in his heart, Rama, the ocean of compassion, is sitting in all his magnificence. Even my rights of love stand abashed when they behold the beauty of the couple Rama and Sita. अनुज सचिव प्रभु प्रजा बुलाए, गुर ग्रह सादर तिन कहलाए, मकर मास रवि ए रब सुहावा, विदा मांगी गुरु पद सिरुनावा. One day the Lord Rama summoned his younger brothers, ministers and subjects, and reverently conducted them to the Guru's house, seeking his leave to go to Kashi. On the auspicious day of the solar eclipse in February Magha, when the sun enters the mansion, Capricorn Rama bowed his head before the feet of the Guru. काशी धर्म क्षेत्र अति पावन, चले सकल सब विधि सजीवाहन, चतुरंगनी अनि सब साथा, यही विधि गवनु कीन रघुनाथा. Counting Kashi and its precincts as holy, they all had their several carriages well equipped before they set out. Thus is Raghunatha to leave with all the four divisions of the army. बीच बास करी शिवपुर आए, सादर पुरे सीन तिनि नाए, आए सुर सरहि कीन प्रणामा, अभय अनंत पाए विश्रामा. Encamping on the way, they came to Kashi and did obeisance to the city. Then, when they had gone homage to the Ganga and taken rest, they were rid of all fatigue and fear. Mahisur dandi jati sannyasi, पूज्यों कृपा सिंधु सुख राशि, दीन दान कछु बरनि न जाई, धनद कुबेर सुरेश लजाई. Rama, the ocean of grace and the source of all bliss, did obeisance to the Brahmins mendicants, ascetics, and recluses, and bestowed upon them such gifts as were beyond telling, and put both Kubera and Indira to shame. यही विधि रही प्रभु विपुल दिन सुखी किए मुनि वृंद आए पुनि निज नगर महा हर्षित करुणानंद मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवस दशरथ अजिर बिहारी. In this manner the Lord passed many days at Kashi and gladdened the sages with his presence. Then Rama, the source and the spring of mercy, returned to his own capital. प्रतिदिन अवध आनंद उछाऊ दान देहि प्रतिदिन नर नाहू हट पर पंच न दुख दिन काहू व्याप न कबहु सुना खग नाहू. Every day at Ayodhya there were joyous festivities, and Rama, the Lord of man, bestowed numerous gifts on the needy, wandering mendicants and Brahmins. No one in that city or Garuda was ever heard of falling a prey to maliciousness, delusion, and grief. सुनहि जहाँ तह वेद पुराना तू सर धर्म न काहू जाना दिन दिन प्रीति देखी भगवाना अमित आनंद सकल पुर जाना. Wherever one went, one found people talking only of the Vedas and Puranas, for they had no knowledge whatever of other faiths. Perceiving that their devotion to him was ever on the increase, Rama knew that the citizens were all utterly happy. सत संबत परिमानु हमारा भय सोच बस राम उदारा अश्वमेध मख करऊँ सोहाई गाय तरई भव नर समुदाई. When he knew that he would have to leave for another 100 years, the kind-hearted Rama was somewhat distressed. I must now perform the sacred house sacrifice, he said to himself, by hymning with man will pass over the sea of rebirth. मुनि निज धाम ही तुरत सिधावऊ विधि के वचन विलंब न लावो प्रात जाय गुरु भवन सप्रीति कहूँ करऊँ सब सुंदर रीति. Then I will return at once to my own sphere in heaven. I must not await carrying out the Creator's orders. I shall go to the Guru's dwelling in the morning and begin work for the sacrifice as well as I can, in keeping with both righteousness and sound policy. अस विचारी उर राखी निज कृपा सिंधु मति धीर करत चरित नाना अमित हरन शोक भव भीर मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवौ सो दशरथ अजिर बिहारी. Thus reflecting the resolute Rama, who is an ocean of compassion, wrought many deeds that destroyed all grief and dread of rebirth. कहो सुनऊँ रघुपति प्रभुताई जो पुराण ऋषि नारद गाई रामचंद्र महिमा अति भूरी सो बरनत कवि मन कदरूरी. Now I sing of the glory of Rama that has been hymned in the Puranas by the great sage Narada. Listen, Rama's majesty is so immeasurable that the seers intent upon describing it lose their patience. मैं मति मंद कहाऊँ कई भांति सोई बक की हंस सुपाती सुनई न पुहमि कतहूँ अध काना पढ़ई चतुर नर वेद पुराना. How then can I, wretched blockhead, describe it? Can in a graceful row of lovely swans a hypocritical heroine claim praise. Nowhere in Rama's kingdom could one hear of any act of sin, and the citizens, enlightened the wise, were all devoted to the Vedas and Puranas. गाँव वहीं प्रभु गुण नगन भयहारी निंदहि अमर लोक नर नारी आज्ञा मातु पिता गुर करहि जप तप दान सदा अनुसरहि. As they sang the praise of the Lord's virtues that destroy all fear of rebirth, men and women alike attached scant value of heaven. Everybody obeyed his present parents and his guru and practiced prayer and penance and charity. प्रजा आनंद राज प्रभु के रे मानहु चक्र कुबेर घनेरे राजहि सब रविन्द्र रिवास आनंदा सुखी चकोर लखत जिमि चंदा. In Rama's kingdom, men were happy like so many Indras and Kuberas, and the apartment of the queen overflowed with joy as do the partridges on seeing the lovely autumn moon. जिमि सर शरद चंद्र चकोर देखति मातु प्रभु मुख जो हहीं तिमि भरत लक्ष्मण शत्रुसूदन वेश लखी मन मोहहि. नित जात प्रभु चौगान खेलन साथ ले चतुरंगनी जब गए भूत लभार टारन संग मरकट लयनी. Just as the female partridge looks at the autumn moon and is delighted, so did the queen mothers gaze on the countenance of the Lord, and were entranced to behold Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna with 4 divisions of the army to form his entourage. The Lord Rama would go and play polo, but when he had set out to relieve the world of its burden, he had a host of monkeys with him. चढ़ी बाजी गजरथ नगर देखहि श्रमित पुनि ग्रह आवहि सारंग टेम बिलो की सादर त्राण बिनु प्रभु धावहि कहु कुसुम कंटक अंग लाकत मोरी मुख मुस्कावनि सो शत्रु सन्मुख सही तीक्षण शक्ति असिरि पुदावनि. Mounted on a horse, an elephant or a chariot, he would often have a look around the city and when overcome by weariness would again come back home. Wherever in the woods he beheld a yellow-hued deer, he would dismount and run towards it, and when his delicate frame was touched by prickly flowers, he would just turn his head round and smile. The Lord, so delicate of frame, was also so valorous that he had taken the shock of the dreadful and fatal spear hurled forth by his foe in the field of battle. निसी नींद बासर भूख सादत वर्ष 14 सारहीं सहजात संग लै करत क्रीड़ा खेलते खिलवारहीं व्यंजन बनत शट रस अमित घृतम धूर बिनु जेवत नहीं निज भगत हेतु समेत लक्ष्मण बैठी रिपु मारयूं सही. निज भगत हेतु समेत लक्ष्मण बैठी रिपु मारयूं सही. The Lord, who for the sake of his devotees suffered hunger and passed many sleepless nights for 14 years, would on beholding dainties of every kind and flavor prefer only those that were sweet and fried in ghee. It is for the sake of his devotees that Rama wrought many marvelous deeds in the company of his brothers. It is to protect his devotees that Lakshmana too had slain Meghananda, the foremost of his foes in the battlefield. रघुबुर राज बिराज अति सकल अवनि अगभाग बिचई मुनि कानन विपुल बसहि सहित अनुराग मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवौ सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी. Rama's kingdom was unequaled in splendor and so purifying that it cleansed the world of its impurities, full of love and affection for one another. Sages in multitude roamed the woods at will and took up their abode there. भूमि सुहावनि कानन चारु खग मृग एक संग करई अभिहारु बैर न सुनई राम के राजा मिली बिचरई बन सकल समाजा. The earth looked splendid and the woods lovely, wherein birds of every kind flew fearless and beasts wandered about. No one heard of any animosity in Rama's realm, where all lived together in mutual harmony and roamed the woods in perfect happiness. नाना ग्रंथ स्मृति समुदायी सकहि न गाई राम प्रभुताई सारद कोटि कोटि अहिसा अगणित चतुरानन गौरी सा. Even a multitude of books and scriptures cannot describe Rama's majesty, nor can my rites of Saraswatis, my rites of serpent kings and countless Brahmanas and Mahadevas. जह लगी जग को विद कबीराई राम राज गुण नहीं सक गाई असित आदि कज्जल गिरि भूरी पात्र समुद्र मसी भरी पूरी. Or any of the innumerable poets and scholars living in the world sing of all the virtues of Rama's realm. If one were to fill the hollow of the sea with the ink made from a mountain of soot, जो कर लेखिनी सुर तरुडारी सप्तद्वीव महिपत्र बिचारी सारद नारद हरिहर शेषा सहस कल्प सत लिखई विशेषा. And make one of the boughs of the tree of paradise into a pen to write on the parchment of the earth's surface encompassing all the 7 islands. If Saraswati, Narada, Vishnu, Mahadeva and Seshnaga were especially to write for millions of aeons. तदपि न पावहि पार राम राज कौतुक अमित सुनु अब चरित अपार जस खगपति आगे भयऊँ मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवौ सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी. Even then they would find the countless marvels of Rama's brain unfathomable. Now listen, O Garuda, to the mysterious acts of the Lord as they took place later. राजत राज सभा सह भ्राता तय आयऊ एक द्विज बिल खाता परुष बचन मुख कहत पुकारा हंस बंस बूढ़ेऊ संसारा. One day, as Rama sat resplendent in the royal court with all his brothers, there appeared a Brahmin, so distressed and waiting. The sun of the solar race has set in the world, he cried in bitter accents. Raghudilyap शिवि सगर नरेसा अतुल प्रभाव भये अवधेसा पितु जीवित सुत त्याग्यों प्राणा अंतर जामि प्रभु सुनि काना. Raghu, Dilip, Shivi and Sagara were kings of Ayodhya, all men of incomparable might, but never in their realms had a son died in the lifetime of his father. The Lord, who knows the inmost thoughts of all, heard with this on ears. नर लीला कर राम कृपाला, लगे विचार करन तेहि काला। कारण कवन मृतक सुत भयऊँ, द्विज दुख देखि बकल प्रभु भयऊँ. Playing the part of an ordinary mortal, the gracious Lord Rama brooded over the cause of the boy's death. He was so distressed to find the Brahman grieving. प्रभु चित देखी गगन भई बानी, शूद्र तपई सुनु सारंग पानी। विद्याचल गंभीर बन माहा, द्विज सुत हेतु मरन नर नाहा. Sensing the thoughts that were passing through the Lord's mind, a voice from heaven said, Listen, O Rama, who bears the saranga bow. Sundara is practicing austerities in the dense forest of the Vindhyachala. The Brahman's son, O king of man, has died on this account. यही हेतु द्विज सुत मृतक सुनि रथ साजी, प्रभु आतुर चले दौं परम शैल बिलो की पावन, मुदित चित सन्मुख भले. सुचि रुचिर आश्रम वेदिका, तहाँ देखी मुनि मन भावई। बहुबाग सुभग तड़ाग, गुंजत मंजु मधुकर सावनी. Upon hearing why the Brahman's son had died, the Lord had his chariot adorned and equipped, and be set forth at once. He was overjoyed to see before him two peaks, beauteous and majestic, and altars and hermitages too, no less holy and beautiful, that enchanted the souls of the sages. Many a lovely park and pond was there, with black bees humming sweetly among the trees. पिक मोर हंस चकोर, किल कहीं कीर शोभा पावहीं। वन वृद्ध कोल की रात, सादर सर्वदा तह आवहीं। पुनि क्रोध संजुत विसख छाड्यों, शूद्र को सिर कटि गिर्यो। बर भगति पावन जानी, तेहि दया पुतीरथ व्रत कर्यो. The cuckoo, the peacock, the goose, the partridge, and many other birds warbled in ecstasy. Parrots displayed lustre, and aged coals and kiratas wandered reverently through the forest, filled with great fury. Rama aimed an arrow of the Shundara and severed his head, that tumbled to the ground. Deeming with holy, the Lord then bestowed upon him his excellent boon of devotion, and as an act of contrition himself went off to practice penance at a holy place. द्विज बर बालक मृतक, सो उठी बैठ्यों हर्षाय। आए पुर रघुपति भगत, भय भंजन सुखदाय। मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रवौ सो दशरथ अजिर बिहारी. The dead son of the illustrious Brahman arose with a delighted expression. Raghunatha, who rids his votaries of all fear or gladdens his servants, entered the